Dear students, now I want to solve problem number 17 of NCERT of this exercise and problem number 3 of study material. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Find the points. इस सवाल में तो पॉइंट ही निकालना है, ये बहुत आसान है. Now given curve is y is equal to x cube. Let the required point on the given curve be alpha beta. Since this point lies on the curve, so we have beta is equal to alpha cube. This is equation second. Now differentiating both sides of first with respect to x, it will be dy by dx 3x square. And slope of tangent to the curve at a point alpha beta is dy by dx at alpha beta is equal to 3 alpha square. Therefore, slope of tangent at alpha beta is 3 alpha square. But it is given that slope of tangent at alpha beta is equal to y coordinate of the point alpha beta. Y coordinate of the point alpha beta. So now we have 3 alpha square is equal to beta. 3 alpha square is equal to beta. This is the value of y coordinate of the point at alpha beta. So now beta is equal to 3 alpha square. Putting beta is equal to 3 alpha square in equation 2, we get 3 alpha square is equal to alpha cube. Alpha cube minus 3 alpha square is equal to 0. And taking alpha square common, so alpha square into alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies alpha is equal to 0, 3. Putting alpha is equal to 0, we have beta is equal to 0. And alpha is equal to 3, we have beta is equal to 27. So required points are 0, 0 and 327. You must verify this, whether this point will lie or not. Putting value of alpha beta in 3, we get alpha is equal to 0, but beta is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 27. So hence required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27 on the curve. Now problem number 19 of this book of NCERT and problem number 4 of the study material. Find the points on the curve x square y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which the tangent are parallel to axis. This is the clue. This is the clue. How will you proceed? Tangent on the curve is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. And we know the slope of x-axis is 0. So how will you proceed? How will you solve this problem? We differentiate the equation first. And suppose the point is alpha beta. So we will find the slope of the tangent at alpha beta. And this slope is equal to 0. So by equating it 0, we will get the points. Now, given curve is x square y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Let the required points on the given curve be alpha beta. Then we have alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Differentiating both sides of first with respect to x, we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by y. And now dy by dx at alpha beta is 1 minus alpha by beta. Slope of tangent at alpha beta is 1 minus alpha by beta, that is m1 say. Also slope of y-axis is equal to 0. This is the clue. This is the clue. And both the tangent are parallel. So m1 is equal to m2. Therefore 1 minus alpha by beta is equal to 0. This implies alpha is equal to 1. Putting alpha is equal to 1 in 2, we get alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. And put alpha is equal to 1, then 1 square plus beta square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. And this will be beta square minus 4 is equal to 0. And this will be beta square is equal to 4. And this will be beta is equal to plus minus 2. So required points are 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.